Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to introduce the next actor. My God, really, now I have something very special to tell you about this man. Ladies and gentlemen, बहुत कम actors होते हैं. In fact, कई actors होते हैं जिनका time जो है वो चलता ही जाता है. 37 years तक चलता ही जाता है. कहते हैं ना actor का time आता जाता है. नहीं, इनका time जो है 37 years से चलता ही जा रहा है, and we are happy for that. A respected face of Indian cinema, a fitness freak who looks younger with every passing year. And let me tell you, Hollywood guys, they made a film called The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. Now they are making another film called Curious Case of Mr. Anil Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for the ever-dashing Anil Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen. So please take a seat, sir.
आ जाइए सर, बैठ जाइए. एक बात मैंने सीखी है कि अगर आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं तो कभी अनिल कपूर के साथ वर्कआउट ना करें. बिकॉज ही I don't know where he derives his energy from. I don't know how he functions the way he does. And he is one of the most disciplined actors I have worked with, and such a wonderful human being. And we were just discussing this backstage, that it has a lot to do with mind over body, as we said before. It's about how positive you are. It's about gratitude in life, for what you have, for what you've earned. I think he possesses all those qualities, and I really think that reflects on his personality. And I couldn't have thought of a better candidate to write my foreword but Anil Kapoor, because he really lives by the philosophy of great Indian food. He doesn't believe in diets, just like all of us. And he will tell you more about it. And I have to tell you this also about him. While I've been talking about stuff, some trivia from Varun's life, let me share this as well. Now, is he kicking me from underneath? I have worked with him. अनिल जी के प्लेट पे जो भी है उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता. मेरे प्लेट पे क्या है या इनके प्लेट पे क्या है उनको ज़्यादा भाता है. So he is perpetually not eating his food, he's eating out of all of our plates. And then he'll suddenly say, अरे नहीं यार मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खा रहा हूँ. मैं 5 दाने इसके प्लेट से खाता हूँ, 5 दाने इसके प्लेट से खाता हूँ. But, and he'll never eat his own food. So I think that's the trick. What is the secret? How are you not aging? I can't even say aging in reverse, because you're not aging.
Curious case.
This is a very curious case.
Well, good evening, all of you all. It's, thank you, Shilpa, for inviting me and sharing this platform with, when you get older, of course I'm aging, and everybody knows it, and I know it. I'm not delusional about it, and of course, with age, you get a little emotional, and these days, that's the first sign of old age, that you get very sentimental. So I am very emotional at the moment, because over here I am with you, and, my relationship with you, and my family, and my wife, and everybody, and of course, the most important thing is that today I'm in front of Amitji, who's been my inspiration.
All our inspiration.
And I've always said that, and I still maintain it, because I feel it's the mind, and I feel the greatest mind and the most powerful mind in today, or past, present, or future, is Bachchan Saab, Amitji. It's mind, the kind of mind he has, and we all have to take inspiration from him. We have to ask him what has been his secret, the way he is, the way he has maintained himself. So I feel I'm nobody I am more excited that I learned something from him today, that how he has maintained, and how he has looked, and how he has performed professionally, personally, in society, all the events he goes, all the functions. He's one of our greatest examples, and so much to learn from you, sir. So for me, it is very, very simple. It's just mind, absolutely, and yeah, it's your lifestyle, as all of you all said. That's what I feel. Thank you.
That's all he had to say. Now tell us really, I mean, we're both from Chembur. So our love for food is,
You know, I'm a good listener. I just want to listen. I want to listen to all of you all.
he's very emotional.
No,
He's
seriously.
He's very happy for me.
Yeah, I'm very happy for you, and I want to listen. I'm a learner. I want to learn. I want to educate myself. You know, whatever you spoke, whatever Luke spoke, whatever Varun spoke, and of course, I'm looking forward to what Amitji is going to say. You know, and I'm going to, keep it and and learn from it, and try to become a better person, a better human being, and keep myself fit.
इससे ज़्यादा और क्या fit होंगे आप? इससे
There's a long way to go.
My God.